Bodies of three Jamaicans found in their Queens, New York house. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Authorities in the United States have commenced an investigation into the discovery of three bodies that were found in a New York house. They have been identified as said to be relatives as 55-year-old Caroline Barnett, her son, Dervan Brightly, age 35, and a family friend, Vershania Brittany Malcolm, age 22, who is believed to have been visiting. All three victims were found with multiple stab wounds inside a single house, police sources told reporters. That son was released after being taken into custody by the police and questioned by the police to determine whether he had any involvement in the crime. Neighbors said that they are very shocked about the whole entire situation that took place and stated that they did not hear anything. Police have not yet determined a motive or a suspect for the murders. 6 Jamaicans have now been murdered in New York metropolitan area since the beginning of the year. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.